Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ngige, and if it's your first time here, welcome, karibu sana, and please subscribe for more videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, kama kawaida, thank you for staying tuned. So guys, in today's video, it's a vlog. I'm going to town. I'm going for a meeting. I'm also going to visit my brother. I'm also going to get a few stuff here and there, and I'm thinking of vlogging today, and I hope it's going to be an interesting vlog. So guys, thank you so much for the love you've shown me in my previous video. Like, you guys, you are amazing, and we finally hit 600 subscribers. Tukinusia idhao very soon. Imagine guys, by the way, naona April haishi, idhao tunaifika tu sahi. I also remember that you guys nilikuwa nimewaambia I'm going to be doing shoutouts for every new subscriber. I'm going to be doing shoutouts. Unfortunately leo sitaweza kufanya shoutout, but I know we have at least 8 new subscribers. Welcome to the squad. The reason why I can't do the shoutouts is because my email has been misbehaving na sipati hizo notifications zenye nafaa kupata when like somebody subscribes. So but I'm still trying to figure out a way venye nitakuwa napata your names like and giving you shoutouts. Once I get them, imagine I'll give you shoutouts kutoka the hata sijui tutafanya video specifically for shoutouts. Anyway guys, thank you so much for the love, for subscribing, for sharing, for telling your friends, for commenting. Akisi nawapenda. So guys, let's get started with this vlog. Tutoke kwa nyumba, it's 1 and I was supposed to leave the house at 11, imagine, but I was doing something important. So guys, let's go. So guys, I was here at Naivas to get dog shampoo for my puppy. I did my shopping yesterday, but I forgot to get these in Aisha. So that's all that was picking for me. I actually feel weird because the place is busy, and then not kuna matroli kubwa hivi. So you're like, wow, na mimi niko na hii moja. But anyways, so I'm going to leave niende think twice. I'm also waiting for a friend to come. So let's go. Hi guys, welcome to another day of this vlog. So today I'm going to Nairobi. I'm going to have my brows tinted. I'm also going to do deliveries for my shop. I'm also picking up a package. So guys, I'm like super excited about the brows, but at the same time I'm scared because then I start kukaa weird, you know, when you meet those people and they're like kaje. I'm scared, but I'm excited. So I'm going to plug you guys to the chick who is going to be doing my brows. I saw her work on IG and it's amazing. Like, she's doing a good job. So I hope it also works for me. This is my outfit. So this is my outfit of the day. This shirt is from Budget Thrifts, and then there's this cut top, and then tights, and my shoes huko chini. So I'm excited. I think I'm also going to meet up with my sister in Thika right now. It's around 10:15. Nasikia niko late already because right now fika town kusema nifike around 12, then nifanywe brow tinting, nitumane hizi package, nichukue package yangu. So okay, latest 3 ndo nitakuwa natoka Nairobi. I'm excited, but let's see how it goes. So guys, I ended up changing directions because kuna traffic ingine hata sijui. You can't even go to town at 10 na una expect kurudi. So right now it's around 11:30. So first of all, kwa barabara, kwa mat, kuna line. Hiyo line kwa kubwa. And then kuna traffic ya kukuja Thika na traffic ya kwenda town. So matatu hazikuja haraka. So I've just figured because vitu za inaenda kufanya zina take time, so I'm going to get late. So I've changed my mind. I'm going to meet up with my sister, and also right now I'm in Mukiriti. So I hope nitawapata. Oh, nimeona sister. So that's my sister and that's our mom. Ndo nimepata akinunua manguo za watoto.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today, hi is Viva, hi is Viva. Hi guys.
So guys, these are the clothes that we got for the kids, and we got trousers, t-shirts, tops, robes, and sleeping dungarees ama pajamas. So guys, the trousers each was going for 200 bob. The t-shirts each was going for 100 bob. Tops each at 100 bob. The robes each at 200 bob, and then hizo pajama, romper, jumpsuit, whatever's each at 200 bob. And guys, it was a bargain because hizo nguo venye zinakaa, the quality is wow. So yep.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed.
any?
Thank you for watching this video.
Tell them to
Subscribe
on the red button.
button.
Like
And
share. And
subscribe.
yes. And then Mjambia.
Bye guys.
Alafu Mjambia mom thank you na amewabaia new clothes.
Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm finally back home after a long successful day. So nimefanya some small shopping. Now I want to eat and rest and play with my baby. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you've not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button down below, the red one. And until next time, bye bye and towards your dreams. Mwah.